We can check, we can see the advance payment also. That is not a very big task. Okay, there are another 4 T code available for advance payment, and for configuration 1 T code only. For transaction level there are three or 4 T code available. Okay, so I can start now. Another half an hour maybe. Yes, if you people are okay, then only I will start, or otherwise. Okay, then you can start. Okay. For advance payment, we have to do one configuration, OBXR. Okay. Uh, okay, this is the down payment. Down payment is equal to advance payment. Is I have double click on down payment, then it's asking chart of account. So what is your chart of account? Chart of account is 1188. Okay, press enter or click here. It is for customer. We are going for wrong T code, so we have to check the correct T code. OBYR. Okay. Yes. Click, double click on down payment, 1188, press enter. Now is asking recon account. Okay, A4, my recon account is 2, this one, or my advanced recon account is special GL recon account. Advanced payment means special GL. Okay, so special GL recon account is this one. Okay, means your, when you got the invoice, that is your liability. When you paying advance, that should be your asset. Are you agree? Okay, so then save now. Okay, then another key is available, F, payment request. Down payment request. What is down payment request? I'll show you. Let me do the configuration first. Okay, same way, recon account, save. So my configuration done. Only one T code for the advanced payment configuration. Now go, I'll do one payment request, FDES 47. In big company code or big company system, hold on. So we cannot do a payment to anyone without instruction of my management. Okay. So for that, our purchase team, means which team is creating the purchase order, they have to create one payment request as per their payment terms. Let's example, I have create one PO. Okay, and my vendor is saying that you have to pay me 50% advance. After the delivery of goods, you can pay me 50% within 30 days. Okay, now your team, what will they will do? Your team will do one payment request to finance team. Hey finance team, please pay this vendor 50% amount of his PO. Okay, so for that, team will create one payment request. So what I'm creating through FDES 47. team or your procurement team. Okay, vendor account 1105. I told you special GL is A only. A means down payment current asset. Okay, press enter. 1000. D1 on which date this request will be due? Today only. Text. Press enter. Save. You all are thinking that where are the credit entry? We have do only one line. An account entry you can see here. See display. This is only one line account entry. This this payment request does not have any financial impact. Okay, so because this is the one liner entry. If there our accounting principle is double line na, debit credit. So due to this is the one line, this will not impact to our financial report. Okay, this is only a information. Payment request only a information. You can say that noted item. If you go to FBL 1N, okay, here see, here noted item available. I am removing that tick now. Okay, I'm running on noted item. Vendor code is 1105. Execute. See, this 1000 is coming here. This is a noted item. Okay, this is sorry. Yeah, when payment was received, what you told? Hmm. We have not done the payment till. Only we have created a request. Okay, this is not a account entry. This is one liner account entry. Okay, as per our accounting principle, there should be debit credit. Here only credit line item available. Debit line is not available. Because of that, it will not impact to your financial reporting. Okay, in your balance sheet, it will not show. Okay, so now your procurement team created one noted item. What item? Noted item. Noted item or payment request. Now finance team will do the payment. How they will do the payment? Like this. F 48. Created the noted item through F 47. Payment is F 48. So document type KZ. Asking vendor code 1105. Special GL A. Bank account. My SBI account. Amount is 1000. Okay, I will click on a request button. Okay, to check is there any request available for this? Yes, request available. Then I'll click on request. So see, the request is available here. So I'll select this request, create down payment. See now, your credit line automatically picked. Okay, now posting key 29A special GL. A is your special GL. Okay, simulate. A is your special GL. Now save this. If you go to FBL FBL 1N, now your noted item will be cleared. no item selected means that item is cleared through fdash 48. If I go to normal item, it will not show. Where are your advance payment? Advance payment showing, not showing here. So you have to tick here also, special GL also. Execute, then your advance payment is showing here. Okay, now you have to pay 7,000. From layout I am choosing the advance special also, special GL also. Special GL indicator. Okay, copy. Removing the text. Okay. See, my special GL is A is coming. So now thing is that your now your liability and asset is available, but I don't want this A special GL. I want to remove this special GL. How to remove this? Here, yeah, here I got the invoice 10,000, but I have 1,000 asset. I want to pay this. I just want to remove this A special GL key. I just want to remove. How can I do that? Remove that special GL key. There are T code available. fdash 54 08 date, year vendor code 1105, year, remove the invoice number, press process down payment. See here, down payment is 1,000 available. Double click on this. Now this 1,000 is transfer. Save. Double click on this. Put a narration text. Save. Now go to explain item. Here A will be removed. Okay. List. Refresh. See here, A is removed now. No need to take on special GL key after fdash 54. Okay, execute. See, it is coming. Okay, now I have to pay 7,000 only. So fdash 02 I am paying this 7,000. I'm not going to fdash 53 now. Okay, or I can go to fdash 53. I can do the partial payment. Okay, 08 bank account, this one, vendor, this one, process open item. I'm taking 7,000 here. Okay, process open item. Now if I'll post it, it will clear all the line item, but I don't want to do this because I want to show you another T code to clearing your vendor account. Okay, so I'm posting through fdash 02 one payment entry 08 document type KZ. Anybody disconnected? Now I'm putting here yes. Now I'm putting here 21. Okay, 21 is debit of vendor 1105. Okay, press enter. 7,000 text. Now 40 or 50. Okay, my bank account. Okay, star, save. Now I will go to FBL 1N, FBL 1N to see the status. See, balance is 0 now, but all are open item. So if I have paid all the amount, why it is open item? Balance is 0, but still open item. Why? I don't need the open item, so I have to clear this open item through F-44. Okay, vendor account is 1105. Then process open item. See here all line item is showing. Now you have to save only. Document is created. Go to FBL 1N. Check is there any open item available? No open item. All are clear. All are clear. Okay. By this way, you can do the advance payment process for vendor account. Okay, for one vendor account. By this way, you can do the advance payment. Okay, and you can knock off for advance payment with invoice. Okay.